A couple simple changes can change your flooring into something so unique. Hey guys, on today's episode we are going to be creating a beautiful checkered tile look, and we're going to be alternating colors between white and beige. We're also going to be adding some stenciling to those colored tiles, so if you want to see how it plays out, then keep watching. I honestly just wanted to bring some life to this floor because it was a little boring and I wanted something new. So first things first, I always cleaned my tile. And then I taped off the siding of my walls just to assure that I got no paint on it. And then I was ready to go, and it was time to start painting the grout. You begin with painting your grout while painting tile just to really get in those grooves in between the tiles, and it's easier to get with a brush rather than with a roller. I chose white as my base color and just coated that over the whole entire floor. When you're painting your tile, you want to make sure that you wait in between coats completely, because you want to make sure that your coats are completely smooth as they can be. And you also want to make sure that you're using a durable paint, such as an epoxy paint, while painting your tile. You want to make sure that you use a durable paint because it has to withstand all of that foot traffic. After your base color is all down, I taped down each separate tile to apply my secondary color in my checker pattern. After the whole checkered pattern was complete on the floor, it was time to stencil. I'm going to be applying this woven pattern stencil. So when I got to the stenciling part, I was originally planning on putting the stencil on every single tile and just alternating the colors of whichever tile that I put it on, but I thought that might be a little too busy, so I actually just decided to place the pattern on the colored tiles. Sometimes your projects don't go always as planned, and that's perfectly okay. You just work with the changes as you go. I'm so happy that I trusted my instinct on only applying the pattern to half of the tiles rather than all of them, just because I think it'll feel much more natural in the room. I love how the neutral colors complement that bold maroon wall. This look is so fresh and new, and it feels so much more fun and modern. This look definitely gives a whole new spin to this room. Finally, nothing beats a good before and after image. It's truly amazing. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.